My sales were slow. I decided to add best offer to everything, and I wanted to share it with you what happened to my sales after I added it to every single one of my listings. But first, I wanted to share a couple fun listings that sold in the first 2 weeks of February. So keep on watching. Hey everyone, it's Alyssa, the At-Home Hustler. For those of you who are new to the channel, I'm a homeschooling mom of 2 boys that sells on lots of platforms, but my primary one is eBay and makes videos about it. If you like content about side hustles and making money, then you're on the right channel. So let's get to the things that sold, and then I will show you what my sales were after I did best offer. And I'm coming to you in my new office, which really isn't my new office. It's my cab over camper trailer that we're redoing. In fact, I did an entire video of how we flip cab over campers to make pretty good profit, and I will actually link that video down in the description, and I'll give you a little tiny tour of this one. I wish I could kind of keep it for my office. We just kind of redid the whole shebang. It's really dirty. It's under construction, but you kind of get the gist of what it looks like. Okay, first up is this Yamaha TV controller, and remotes are kind of funny. It's like they'll either bring in $8.99 or sell for $48, so you definitely have to look them up, and you're also taking the chance that they don't work once you get them home. So I never really pay up for remotes, but this one was a nice sale. I bought it for $2.99 and sold it for $29. The next item is this men's Express jeans. Anything that's new with tags usually catches my eye, and men's jeans sell way better than women's jeans for me. I don't know if it's because I don't pick up a lot of women's jeans, but I don't pick up a lot of men's jeans either. But when I do, they fly out the door, and women's jeans kind of sit. I just think there's so many choices, so many varieties of women's jeans that even I get exhausted when I'm shopping for jeans. These I picked up for $3.50 at a local thrift store, and they sold the same week for $24 with free shipping. Next is this Dickies work shirt. 3X. 3X is amazing in men's. It's not that big of a profit. However, I got this for free. So I will often do free curb pickups. People put their junk out, they put it up on OfferUp, and I will go and pick them up. In fact, I also did a video on this that I went and picked up unknown stuff and did an unboxing and unveiling of what I got, and it was even a surprise to me, so I will also link that down in the description as well. This came in one of those, and it sold the same week for $14.99 plus free shipping. Next up is this Queen Boho comforter set. I think I had it for 2 years. I think I was too ambitious with the price. I kept lowering it every 30 days pretty much and sold it for $32, but I purchased it only for $4 at a Goodwill. So, and next is this Swiss backpack, new with tags. I like backpacks. They sell well. Hiking packs, even laptop bags will do pretty well for me, but this one sold quickly, not for a lot of profit, but the turnaround was great. Quick money. So I bought it for $3.50 and sold it for $20 plus free shipping. You know what? That's actually really not bad. I take that back. That was a decent profit. Yep. Next up is this Boy Scout shirt. Again, this was in a free curbside pickup. You can't... Boy Scout stuff doesn't go for a lot of money, but it never sticks around. They're always in need. So this sold for $14.99 and I got it for free. Next up is this Adobe Premiere 6.0 for Windows. Now, sometimes when you see discs for the computer or this Adobe Premiere is older. It's a version that is, in my book, probably very outdated. However, I thought, you know what, I'm going to scan it, and it came together with 2 CDs and a book and a VHS. And so I scanned it, and the first CD said it went for about $100. Didn't even look at the second CD. Picked it up because it was $7 at a thrift store. The whole pack was $7. So this one I separated out in a book and a CD, sold for $34. And then the next one sold for $94 the same week I listed. Next is this Boy Scout hat and tie. Again, got it a free curbside pickup. It sold for $19.99 plus free shipping. Sold right away. It was really good condition. And I sold 2 pairs of sunglasses. First is this Maui Jim's women's sunglasses. I picked them up for $2. Our local, I guess it's my honey hole, the little honey hole, has a bin of sunglasses, and I swear nobody looks at them like, oh, these are good sunglasses, let's put them in the glass case. So the bad thing about putting all the glasses in the bin is that sometimes they're scratched, but I'm trying to learn that that's okay, that people will still buy them for their rims sometimes too. So these were $2 and they sold for $67 plus shipping. That's like total sweet spot. That was like, babe, let me go buy you a drink. Because I think he found them. Yep, my husband found them. So I was like, let me buy you a drink for that one. And the second are Smith Optics. They don't go for as much, but sunglasses are so popular, especially at this time of year. So I bought them for $2 and they sold for $20 plus shipping. Next, my son wanted to sell 2 video games because he's saving his money for something. So he brought out this Overcooked video game and then the Zelda video game, and they both sold within an hour. I've never sold current video games before. Oh my Lanta. Like, I listed it, it chinged, and I turned to my son and I said it already sold. He was like, no way. Another sale is this oyster blender. It's not even the full blender, it's just the bottom half. The picture wasn't even there at the thrift store, but that didn't even matter. It's off to Puerto Rico for $35 plus free shipping. It fit in a flat rate, and there you go. Then these Reebok men's shoes I paid $3 for, and they sold for $25 plus shipping. Lastly is this vintage Letterman sweater. So any Letterman jacket, Letterman sweater, oh my goodness, do not pass those up. I don't even look them up. I've sold thrashed Letterman jackets before, and people are either collectors or it was their high school, or, you know, you never know the story, but I've sold ones in poor, gross condition. This one was in fantastic condition, and believe it or not, I had no idea what the letters stood for, and somebody reached out to me and told me what high school and what city it was in. It's like somewhere in Missouri. That was cool because I got to add it to my listing, and then shortly after that it sold. So that was very, very cool. So those were my sales. I was very happy with those particular sales. I had a lot of other in-betweens. Those were just some to note in different categories. I knew something needed to change because my sales had been down for a while, and I played around with sales, I played around with promoted listings, and I just one day thought, you know what, I'm gonna put best offer on and see what happens. So let's head over to my computer right now and I will show you my sales graph. So here we are looking at my sales graph. As you can see, every day was like 32, 26, 48, nothing, 30, the little tiny bars. Let's see what we hit here, 66, 43, and then nothing. And then I put in best offer, 197. The day I put best offer in, and then I had a crazy $680 day. I sold something really expensive. But look at the days proceeding. 147, 182, 156, 126, $83, $138. I'm not saying that best offer is going to continue to work for me, because you constantly have to change what you're doing to kind of give that little bit of boost in your store. As you can see from my graph, it boosted my sales for, I want to say, 5 consecutive days. Anyway, I enjoyed talking to you today, so have a great day, and I will see you next time.